What's up everyone? Today we're going to take a look at cheap and functional tech. Hey guys, John here at TechMogo. Being an avid gamer, the preferred method of connectivity has always been wired for its reliability, precision, and low latency. But over the years, wireless tech has come a long ways. It can also provide the same great experience as its wired counterparts, minus all the mess, taking your workspace from this to this. Now sometimes when listening to music, watching YouTube, or doing some casual gaming on my PC, I much rather use my AirPods than my gaming headset due to its lightweight and small form factor. Unfortunately, when I built my PC, Bluetooth never crossed my mind. I never thought I would need it on a desktop. Luckily, there are companies out there that have created aftermarket parts that let you add the technology later down the line. So I bought a USB Bluetooth adapter. The adapter I bought is from TECHKEY. Now I picked this up on Amazon. It was only $20, so it's not going to break the bank. I'll throw a link in the description in case you want to check it out. It's Bluetooth 5.0 and backwards compatible, so you'll still be able to connect your older devices. It's got great range at up to 30 feet. You can connect up to 7 devices. It supports Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Now let's take a look at the box. In the center there, you can see the adapter. Up on the right, you have some TECHKEY branding, and on the left it says 5.0 for Bluetooth 5.0. It also shows pictures of all the devices you can connect to, like your laptop, your desktop, your speakers, your cell phone, your printer, and your wireless earbuds. So now let's take a look at the back of the box. The first thing that catches my eyes is the blue strip running across the bottom saying that there is 12 months of free warranty. Hopefully we'll never have to use it, but it's available just in case, so that's cool. Up top it lists the specs and features that we talked about earlier in the video. Now let's see what's inside. So in the box, you get a user manual, you get the adapter, and the CD with drivers. Now that CD is going to be a problem for me. I haven't had to use a CD to install anything in a very long time. My PC doesn't even have a disk drive. So I'm hoping this is a plug and play and Windows will take care of the installation for me. Unfortunately, I was wrong. Windows does install it, but it installs a generic driver, and I was not able to connect my AirPods. So pulling up Google and doing a quick search, I was able to find a thread on Microsoft.com where there was others in my same situation. There was a guy on there that explained it in detail on how he was able to get the adapter to work. Basically, I just needed to install the correct drivers. Luckily, he provided a link to where you can download the drivers, so that's what I did. I'll put that link in the description in case you guys pick up the adapter and need the drivers. So after installation, you want to check Device Manager, and under Bluetooth, make sure you have the Realtek Bluetooth 5.0 adapter installed. Once this was done, the adapter worked flawless. I was able to connect my AirPods to my PC and listen to my music, watch YouTube, and do some gaming with the sound coming from the AirPods. Now, did this piece of tech meet cheap and functional? The adapter was only 20 bucks, and once the correct drivers were installed, it worked as intended. I was able to connect the AirPods to my PC. I would say this is cheap and functional. So if you want to add Bluetooth to your PC, I would highly recommend this Bluetooth adapter from TECHKEY. So that's going to wrap up this episode, guys. As always, if you found value in this video and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Once again, I'm John at TechMogo. I will see you in the next one.